This is it. It's the singular moment that shows all the hours of my hard work. The moment where we officially get to see the beautiful grain of this highly figured walnut. Wait, hang on. I'm jumping ahead of myself here. Let's do a quick rewind now to see where we left off from part 1. First up, I gotta get this garage cleaned up. In my last video, I shared what stress a tree undergoes to form this beautiful figure. I'll put a link at the end of this video if you want to go back and watch part 1. The highly figured wood grain isn't that different from our own physical and mental history. Our bodies also show the stories of broken bones, disease, intrusive thoughts, herniated discs, bad knees for no apparent reason, and eyes that require corrective vision. We shelter many of these pains, just like the trees. It's not until these trees are cut down and then sliced do we know anything even happened. Maybe we can learn something here and take better care of ourselves because, well, we're humans and not trees, and hopefully we can improve the things in our bodies and in our minds that can get better. Please enjoy the last bits of sanding work that these boards require, and figure requires a lot of sanding. Relax and be amazed at the first glimpse of true color when they get splashed with water, and then when they get multiple coats of the finishing mineral oil. I hope you enjoyed watching my process. Now I'm going to head out for a walk with my dog and a friend. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next vlog.